Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be with you all today. I'm Adam, and I'm really happy to be here.
I'm happy you're here too, Adam. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. The sun is shining, and it's a beautiful day. How about you, Sarah?
I'm very well, thank you. And I'm excited about our topic today. It's something we all do.
Ooh, that sounds interesting. What are we talking about?
Today, we're going to talk about the supermarket.
Ah, the supermarket. Perfect. That's such a useful topic.
Yes, it really is. We all need to buy food, and the supermarket is a great place to practice English.
Exactly. You can talk to the cashier, ask for help, or find what you need, all in English.
Right. So, if you want to sound natural when shopping, this episode is for you.
Awesome. Let's get started. How are you today, Sarah?
I'm very well, thank you. And I'm excited for our topic today, the supermarket.
Ah, yes. The supermarket. A place we all visit.
Exactly. I even have my shopping list ready.
Very organized. I always make a list, too. It helps me remember things.
Same here. Without a list, I always forget the milk or the bread.
So, what's on your list today?
I need milk, eggs, bread, chicken for dinner, and some carrots. What about you?
I need apples, bananas, and yogurt.
Fruit and yogurt. A healthy list.
I try. Okay, let's imagine we just walked into the supermarket.
Yes, through the big glass doors. So, what's the first thing we need?
Something to put our food in. A shopping cart or a shopping basket.
Right. A cart is the big one with wheels. A basket is the smaller one you carry.
Your list is long, so you probably need a cart.
Yes, I'll take a cart. And you should take a basket.
Exactly. My list is short. So, cart for you, basket for me. Where do we go first?
The fruit and vegetable section. It's usually near the entrance.
I see it. Very colorful. So, I need apples.
Here they are. Red apples and green apples.
I like the red ones. They're sweeter. I'll take 4 apples.
4 apples in your basket. What's next?
Bananas. Where are those?
Look, next to the oranges.
Yes, a big bunch of bananas. I'll pick the yellow ones. 4 bananas.
Done. Your fruit is complete. Now, let's look at my list.
You need carrots. They're vegetables, so they should be right here.
Ah, found them. Next to the potatoes. I'll take a bag of carrots.
Great. What's next?
Milk and eggs. And you need yogurt.
That means we go to the dairy section, usually at the back.
It's always cold here. But I see the milk. big cartons and small cartons.
Which one do you want?
A big carton, please. My family drinks a lot of milk.
And eggs are right next to the milk.
I need a dozen eggs. That's 12.
Here you go. Careful, don't drop them.
Got 'em. Now your yogurt.
So many flavors. Strawberry, blueberry, vanilla.
Which one do you want?
Strawberry. 2 small pots.
Perfect. Dairy section done. Now my bread.
The bakery section. It always smells amazing.
Fresh bread smells so good. I need 1 loaf of white bread.
This loaf looks soft and fresh.
Thank you. And look at those chocolate cookies.
They look delicious. Should we get some?
Maybe a small bag. A little treat won't hurt.
Cookies in the cart. Now the last thing on your list, chicken.
Right. We need the meat counter.
Here it is. There's someone behind the counter.
I'll ask, "Hello? Can I please have 2 chicken breasts?"
That's perfect. They will weigh and wrap it for you.
And done. I have the chicken now.
Let's check our lists. Milk, eggs, bread, chicken, carrots. Yes.
And you have apples, bananas, and yogurt.
We're almost done, but I'm a little thirsty.
Me too. Let's go to the drinks aisle.
Aisle 7. Water, juice, soda.
I want orange juice.
And I'll take a big bottle of water.
Now we have everything. Time to go to the checkout.
The front of the store. I see several checkout lines.
That one is express for 10 items or less, but I'll go to the regular one.
I'll stay with you. This line is not too long.
Our turn. Let's put our items on the conveyor belt.
Milk, eggs, bread, chicken, carrots, cookies, water, apples, bananas, yogurt, orange juice.
The cashier says hello and asks if we found everything.
Yes, thank you.
Everything gets scanned. Beep, beep, beep.
The total is ready. I'll pay with my card.
Insert the card. Beep. Done.
Do we want bags?
Yes, please. 2 bags. Plastic is fine.
Here are our groceries and the receipt.
Thank you. And we're done.
Wow, Sarah. That checkout took a little while, but we finally made it through.
Yes, but it wasn't too bad. And now we have everything we need.
True. Let's head out through the exit doors. The air outside feels nice after being in the cold dairy section.
I agree. It was freezing back there. I always feel like I should bring a jacket, just for the dairy aisle.
Same here. All right, let's put these bags in the cart and head to the parking lot.
Your basket looked light earlier, but the bags seem heavier now.
That bottle of water and the apples added more weight than I expected.
Groceries always feel heavier when you're carrying them to the car.
Very true. Do you remember everything we bought?
Yes. Milk, eggs, bread, chicken, carrots, cookies, water, orange juice, and your apples, bananas, and yogurt.
That sounds like a good shopping haul.
I think so. We have everything for dinner and breakfast for the next few days.
Speaking of dinner, what time are you planning to cook the chicken tonight?
Probably around 6. I like cooking earlier so I can relax after eating.
That sounds nice. I usually cook late, or I just eat something simple.
Like your famous pasta again?
Oh yes, my simple pasta. 1 pot, sauce, done.
Nothing wrong with that. It's practical.
True, but your meals always sound more delicious.
Thank you, Adam. I enjoy cooking. It relaxes me.
Maybe you can teach me someday so I stop burning rice.
I'd be happy to help. Rice is actually easy once you learn a few small things.
I'll take your word for it. Anyway, here we are, the parking lot.
Yes, the cars are not too crowded today.
Let's put these bags in your trunk first.
Sure, just set them gently so the eggs don't crack.
Eggs are safe. I placed them on top.
Thank you. What about your groceries?
I'll take mine now. My bag's not too heavy.
Are you walking home or taking your motorcycle?
Motorcycle. But don't worry, I have a hook and a small storage box. The bananas won't get squished.
Good. Bananas always get bruised easily if they're trapped under something heavy.
Exactly why they are riding in the front with me.
VIP banana service.
Only the best for my fruit.
Okay, are you ready to head home?
Almost. I actually love watching people in the parking lot after shopping. Everyone looks so busy but satisfied.
True. People walking with bags, kids holding snacks, some pushing carts, some carrying flowers.
Yes, and some look stressed, probably the ones without a shopping list.
That used to be me.
Same. I'd walk in with one idea and walk out with 10 things I didn't need, except the thing I originally wanted.
Supermarkets are dangerous like that.
Very dangerous, especially the bakery section.
Oh, yes. The smell alone can make you buy something.
Like those cookies we got.
Hey, that was your idea.
No, I clearly remember you suggesting it first.
Really? Well, okay, maybe I did. They looked too good.
I'm glad we got them. They'll be perfect with tea later.
Do you drink tea at night?
Sometimes, chamomile tea helps me sleep.
That sounds nice. I like green tea in the afternoon, but in the evening, I prefer something warm and light.
Same here. After grocery shopping, I always want something warm to drink.
You know, I enjoy evenings after a supermarket trip. Something about having a full fridge makes the house feel cozy.
Yes, it feels like everything is ready. No stress, no last-minute rush.
Exactly. And you feel a little more prepared for the week.
Speaking of that, what are you going to make with the carrots besides tonight's dinner?
Maybe carrot soup tomorrow? Or maybe roast them with potatoes?
Both sound delicious. What about your apples? Snacks or dessert?
Snacks mostly. Sometimes I slice them with peanut butter.
Oh wow, that sounds tasty.
And the bananas are for breakfast, either with oatmeal or just by themselves.
Very healthy.
Trying my best. And the yogurt?
Your favorite strawberry flavor.
Yes. I'll probably eat one as soon as I get home.
You always get hungry right after shopping.
It's strange, but yes, grocery shopping makes me hungry.
Me too. I think it's because we see so much food.
Probably.
Okay, Adam, before we go, let me double check. Do you have everything?
Water, bananas, apples, yogurt? Yes, all here.
Good. And I have my milk, eggs, bread, chicken, carrots, cookies, orange juice.
Perfect. Do you need help tying the bag for your motorcycle?
No, I think I'm good. I have a trick for securing it so it doesn't move.
Nice. I always worry about bags falling.
Same, but I've learned from experience. Once, my bread flew out when I hit a bump.
Oh no. That must have been funny to see.
Not at the time. But now, yes, it's hilarious.
Well, I'm glad today everything is safe.
Yes, today is a smooth shopping day.
Okay, Adam, let's head home. The sun is getting low.
Right, and you need to start cooking soon.
Yes, and you need to get home before your yogurt melts.
Ha ha ha, true.
Drive safely, okay?
I will, and you too. Don't forget to send me a picture of your dinner.
I will. And you send me a picture of your yogurt.
Deal. See you soon, Adam.
See you, Adam. Take care. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!